Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry ratios easily. We'll start by understanding the fundamental concept of right triangles and their sides. Then, we'll dive into the famous mnemonic SOHCAHTOA, which is your key to remembering the three primary trigonometric ratios. This simple tool will make learning sine, cosine, and tangent straightforward and memorable, setting a strong foundation for your trigonometry journey. Let's break down SOHCAHTOA. Sine, or so, represents the ratio of the side opposite an angle to the hypotenuse, the longest side. Cosine, or ca, is the ratio of the side adjacent to the angle to the hypotenuse. Finally, tangent, or toa, is the ratio of the side opposite the angle to the side adjacent to it. Understanding these three core ratios is crucial. Beyond the primary three, we also have reciprocal ratios. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, meaning it's the hypotenuse divided by the opposite side. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so it's the hypotenuse divided by the adjacent side. Lastly, cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, which is the adjacent side divided by the opposite side. These provide a complete picture. To truly master these ratios, consistent practice is essential. Start by clearly identifying the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse sides in various right triangles. Then, work through problems to calculate unknown side lengths or angle measures using the ratios. Remember, trigonometry is widely applied in fields like engineering, architecture, and even video game development, making your efforts worthwhile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.